We all know we're supposed to treat people with kindness, but sometimes, in our stressful day-to-day lives, we can forget to treat people with respect and compassion. In fact, according to a survey, 76% of respondents say the world is a less kind place than it was 10 to 20 years ago. The good news is that humans are naturally wired to be kind. Sometimes it just takes a little thought. So, if you want to spread good vibes and compassion to the people in your life, here are 10 simple ways to practice random act kindness every day. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Leave a little money lying around. You may not want to do this one every day, but every once in a while, leave a $5 bill for someone to find. That lucky person will be delighted, and it will instantly lift their spirits. If you'd rather not leave money in a random place, you can always give a couple of dollars to someone in need, or consider donating to a charity or cause. Kindness doesn't require a grand gesture. Little things can make a big difference. With a little creativity, the possibilities are endless. 2. Let someone go ahead of you in line. If the person behind you at the grocery store only has a couple of items, and your cart's filled to the brim, why not let them go ahead of you in line? It will save them time, and they will be surprised by your kindness. They may even reciprocate the gesture if they find themselves in a similar situation next time. 3. Bake cookies or buy sweet treats. Everyone loves sweet treats. Why not bake some cookies and bring them to a neighbor's house, your niece's school, or to anyone else who could use a smile? You can also buy cookies or treats and take them to a local firehouse or police station. 4. Help a stranger. Hold the door for someone, buy coffee for the person behind you, share your lunch with someone, or hold an umbrella for someone who needs a hand. When I was in high school, I was on crutches and couldn't hold an umbrella in the rain. A fellow student walked me across campus with his umbrella. To this day, I still think of him every time it rains. Sometimes, the smallest actions can have the biggest impact. 5. Pick up the phone. You probably send lots of text messages throughout the day, but when is the last time you really connected with someone on the phone? Call a loved one or a friend you haven't talked to in a while to catch up. Text messaging can't replace the feeling of a heart-to-heart conversation over the phone. 6. Send cards. With Facebook and other social networks, people tend to say hello or happy birthday via social media. As a result, people receive fewer greeting cards. You can instantly lift someone's mood by sending a card in the mail. While you can always send a birthday card or a holiday card, why not send a just because card to let someone know you're thinking of them? Sometimes, the unexpected cards are the best, and they'll make a lasting, positive impression, guaranteed. 7. Use your coins to make change. Do you have some extra change in your pocket or wallet? Why not use it to make someone else's day? Instead of holding on to it, when you'll probably forget all about it, put it in a parking meter or a collection tin at the grocery store. You won't even notice it's gone, and you'll be helping another person or cause. 8. Don't be stingy with hugs. Like a smile, a friendly embrace can make a person's day. A good hug can lift someone's spirits, make them feel loved and appreciated, or be just the pick-me-up they need for a hard day. 9. Smile at a stranger. No matter what's going on in your day, smiling can make you feel better. It's hard to be upset when you're smiling. So, share these good feelings with others, even when you don't know them personally, and make sure to smile at the people you encounter. 10. Use your manners. I'm sure your parents told you this, or you may say it to your own kids, but sometimes we simply forget to say please and thank you. Don't forget to say please when you ask for something, whether you're talking to a waiter, customer service representative, cashier, friend, or even a random stranger. Saying please changes the tone of a request. Instead of making a demand, you're being courteous to the person, which makes them more likely to want to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow, and stay curious.